how you can easily see login activity in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, go to menu and tap at Settings and Privacy. After that, move on to the Account Center, tap at Password and Security. That's where we can easily find an option which is called Where you are logged in. If we tap on it, we can choose an account. First, you can select any of your Instagram or Facebook accounts associated with that particular account center. So I'm gonna choose that one. And then we need to choose a device for which we want to see login activity. I'm gonna choose my current device, that is iPhone 11, and right here we can check our recent logins from that particular device. If you would like to log out your Instagram account from that or from any other device, you can do it at that step. Just tap at Select Devices to log out, then check mark some of the devices or all of them at once, and then tap at Log Out. That's how you can easily check your login activity in Instagram.